Okay, first spawn a 2x2 PHX metal plate. Lock it into place. Next, go to your entities folder and spawn a hover drive controller. And easy weld this anywhere on the plate. I usually put it in the center. Next, spawn numpad inputs for 0. These are all non-toggle. Period. Enter. And plus. These will be your controls. Next, spawn a constant value of 100. This will be the height that will hover over someone's head. Go up to wire arithmetic and spawn an add gate next to your value. And wire B value of this add gate to the value, and the Z jump target to the add. Wire set jump target to period. Wire jump, oops, past it. Wire jump to enter. Okay, now for the next part, spawn a target finder, set to target players, and just a whole very long range. Spawn that on your board. Next, spawn a beacon sensor. Put that anywhere. Set world position GPS coords to on, everything else off. Then link that to your target finder. Next, take the A input from your add from earlier to the Z output of the target finder. Then your X jump target to the X of the beacon sensor. Then take the Y jump target to the Y of your beacon sensor. Now, wire the next target input of the target finder to your numpad input plus. And that way, every time you hit that, it'll give you a new target. Alright. See, now it's sitting over my head because I just warped it. It will also be helpful to put some hover balls on here with movement of 0. So I'll do that right now. And air resistance, max it out. Whoops, wrong tool. Alright, go into no clip. I'll warp it up there just to make it easier. Now I have to spawn the igniter. And set allow player igniting on. Spawn that right in the middle of your plate, or right underneath where you put your hover drive controller. Now wire the A input of this to your numpad input, whatever you want for fire, which would be 0 for me. And the last part, spawn a constant value with a value of 10, or however many seconds you want the igniter to run. Put that on the underside, and wire length to this. Now to test your warp igniter, press period and enter at the same time, and it will warp above you. Then press your fire key, 0, and it will light you on fire. Now, to do this to someone else, hit the plus key and that will give a different target. This concludes the tutorial on the warp igniter.